Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a recovery coach business. If you are a recovery coach, then manually responding to all the queries and sending motivational tips can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send all the motivational tips and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for Recovery Coach Business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Hi there, I'm here to support your recovery journey. What would you like help with today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says motivational tips. And it responds me with, today's motivational tip is, small progress is still progress. Keep going, you're doing great. Then I'm going to choose the second option that says book a call. And our chatbot responds with, let's book a call. Let's book your coaching session. Please reply with time slot. So here I'm going to send time. Please reply with full name. So here I'm going to send my full name like this. And then it responds us with, we have received your details as 6:15 p.m. Demo user, I will confirm your availability shortly. Then lastly, I'm going to click on view packages, and it responds me with all the package details. Here are the coaching options: starter plan 1 session per week, support plan 2 sessions per week, and intensive plan daily check-ins. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Recovery Coach Business. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. This regex will activate the chatbot with any given keyword. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. So here I am going to add a welcome message like this. Our message will look like this, and here I have added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. With the help of add button option, I am going to add some quick reply options like this. Here I've added all the options. Now we have to curate a response for each one. Let's begin with motivational tips, and for that I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add a motivational tip. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. Now we are going to move on to the second one, which says book a call. And for this one, I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place the question box here, and here I'm going to add this message, book a call, let's book your coaching session, please reply with time slot. So here I'm going to select time as contact custom field, and as format I'm going to select any. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. Lastly, we are going to connect it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to ask another question, and here I'm going to ask name of the user like this. Now I'm going to select contact custom field as name, and then I'm going to select format as text. Then you can provide number of attempts and validation message. I'm going to leave validation message empty. Lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. Here I've used $time and $name because they were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details of the user. Then lastly, I'm going to curate a response for view packages, and for this I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Recovery Coach Business. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video, and once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.